Wind blows through the valley. Water flows around the earth. You can feel their presence, but you cannot hold them in your hands. In Eastern wisdom, we use one word to describe this invisible life force. That word is chee. It is the breath of the universe, the pulse of all living things. And it is the most important guest in your home. Qin is not a supernatural power. It is the energy and atmosphere that we can all feel. A home full of vibrant chee will make you feel energetic and inspired, as if you are in a flourishing garden. But a home with stagnant chee can make you feel dull and tired, as if the air itself has become solid. The true art of Feng Shui is about guiding and cultivating this unseen energy. So how do you invite and keep good chee? Imagine your home is a body, and the front door is its mouth and nose. Rule 1. Keep your entryway bright and clear. This is the first impression chee has of your home. Rule 2. Open your windows to let in fresh air and sunlight. They are the best carriers of chee. Rule 3. Place living plants in your home. They are natural energy purifiers and pumps. Rule 4. Avoid sharp corners or exposed beams pointing at where you often sit or sleep. These short chees, or harsh energies, can cut the flow of chee like a knife. Now I invite you to do a simple exercise. Close your eyes and walk slowly through your home. Do not see with your eyes, feel with your body. Which corner feels warm to you, and which place feels cold? You're learning to read the energy of your home with your intuition. A home is not just a structure of concrete and steel. It is an energy field that breathes and feels with you. Learn to dance with chee, and you will hold the key to creating a home that nourishes your body and soul. In our next episode, we will explore the 5 elements, the fundamental energies that make up the universe. Thank you for watching.